Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 5, that is Allama Iqbal, Rahmatullah alayh, and today I will deliver its third lecture. So my dear students, let's quickly start with the recap. Quickly listen to the question and answer it very carefully. Name some poems written by Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Quickly think. Very good. पहाड़ और गुरेली, मकड़ा और मक्खी, एक परिंदा और जुगनू, ये चंद नज़में हैं जो कि पोएम्स हैं जो कि अल्लामा इकबाल ने बच्चों के लिए ख़ास तौर पर लिखी हैं. So my dear students, these are the student learning outcomes that we have covered in this unit. Today is the review of this unit, and we have covered all these SLOs. We have discussed about the early life of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, his contributions towards the making of Pakistan, his achievements, major events in his life. We have discussed it all. So let's quickly see the Islamic perspective. And we made them leaders guiding by our command, and we inspired to them the doing of good deeds, establishment of prayer and giving of zakat, and they were worshippers of us. So my dear students, with this, let's move forward. In the first lecture, we discussed about the early life of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, his date of birth, that he was born on 9th November 1877. And he was born in Sialkot. अलामा इकबाल जो है उन्होंने गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज से जो है लाहौर से अपनी तालीम हासिल की, मरी कॉलेज से उन्होंने अपनी इब्तदाई तालीम अर्ली एजुकेशन ली, और इसके बाद वो जर्मनी चले गए फॉर हायर स्टडीज़. एंड ही इज़ नोन एज द पोइट ऑफ ईस्ट. अल्लामा इकबाल को शायर मशरिक कहा जाता है, और उनको द थिंकर ऑफ द पाकिस्तान भी कहा जाता है. क्यों कहा जाता है? बिकॉज ही गेव द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ टू नेशन थ्योरी, कि हिंदू और मुसलमान जो हैं दे आर टू सेपरेट नेशंस एंड दे मस्ट लिव सेपरेटली. इसके अलावा उन्होंने कहा था कि जहाँ पर जिन इलाकों में सब कॉन्टिनेंट के देर आर मुस्लिम्स विद मेजॉरिटी, दे मस्ट बी सेपरेटेड एंड मेक one homeland for Muslims. So he is also known as Shair Mashriq because he wrote poems for the Muslims of the subcontinent, और उससे उन्होंने उनको awareness दी कि you are separate from Hindus and you are a separate nation. So he died on 21st April 1938. So my dear students, now quickly tell me, when did Allama Muhammad Iqbal was born? He was born on 9th November 1877. Very good. Okay, now tell me, who gave the idea of Pakistan? Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Very good. What title was given to him? He is known as Shair Mashriq and the thinker of Pakistan also. So why Allama Iqbal is called the poet of East? Because he wrote poems for the Muslims of the subcontinent. When did Allama Muhammad Iqbal die? He died on 21st April 1938, before partition, यानी कि पाकिस्तान आज़ाद होने से पहले ही उनकी डेथ हो गई थी. He wrote many poems for adults as well as for the kids, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा जो है, जिनके हमने एक लेक्चर भी जिसके ऊपर एक प्रोजेक्ट किया था, एक मकड़ा और मक्खी, कि कभी जो है हमें खुशामद में नहीं आना चाहिए, फ्लैटरिंग जो है इट्स नॉट गुड. So my dear students, now is the time for practice. You can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. Write down your name and your class, and what you need to do is, there is a word bank given here, and with the help of this word bank you have to write a short note on the life of Allama Iqbal. Take hint from the word bank given below. So आपको अल्लामा इकबाल के बारे में एक short note लिखना है, उनकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ, उनकी अर्ली एजुकेशन, वेयर ही वॉज बॉर्न, एंड व्हाट वाज हिज रोल इन मेकिंग पाकिस्तान, व्हाट वाज हिज आइडिया, एंड हिज डेट ऑफ डेथ ऑल्सो. सो आफ्टर डूइंग दिस यू विल आंसर दीज टू क्वेश्चंस. व्हाई अल्लामा इकबाल इज कॉल्ड पोएट ऑफ ईस्ट? Very easy, I just told you that. And then question number 3, name the poems written by Allama Iqbal. आपको अल्लामा इकबाल की कोई सी 2 या 3 poems which you know the names, you have to write their names only. Okay, so complete this worksheet, pause the video and then submit it to your teacher. I hope everybody has done it, so your teacher will evaluate you for this worksheet. So my dear students, now is the time to note down the homework. So for homework, read Unit 5, discuss with your parents about the role of Allama Iqbal in making of Pakistan. So आपने यूनिट को दोबारा से एक दफ़ा रीड कीजिएगा और उसके बाद जो है इससे आपकी रिविजन हो जाएगी. इफ़ देयर इज़ एनी लैकिंग वो भी कवर हो जाएगी. एंड देन डिस्कस विद योर पेरेंट्स कि कायद अल्लामा इकबाल का क्या रोल था इन मेकिंग ऑफ पाकिस्तान. उनके क्या आइडियाज़ थे. ही वॉज अ थिंकर एंड फिलोसोफर. ही इज़ नोन एज द पोएट ऑफ ईस्ट. सो ये तमाम बातें आप अपने पेरेंट्स से डिस्कस करें, उनको बताएं that you know a lot of things about Allama Iqbal. So my dear students, it's time to wrap up this unit. So now all my students are able to narrate the major events of Allama Iqbal's life, and they are also able to introduce Allama Muhammad Iqbal as the personality who expounded the idea of Pakistan. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed this unit. You have learnt a lot of things about a very important and prominent personality, Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.